Hi, I am Roshan Kumar Misra from Kolkata. I got selected as Income Tax Inspector in CGL'19. I am an ex-serviceman and have secured All India Rank 7 in ex-serviceman category. For achieving this feat, I would like to thank Unacademy and a very special thanks to my maths tutor Pawan Rao sir. I started preparation for CGL in 2019 and during that time I came across a maths course of Pawan Rao sir at YouTube. I was so impressed by his teaching style that to learn from him, I joined Unacademy, and that proved a life-changing decision for me. After leaving studies for 15 years, it was very difficult to restart the preparations. But during this time, Unacademy proved to be a pathfinder for me. The specially designed curriculum was of great help to achieving my dream job, that is Income Tax Inspector. My joy knows no bound to share my success story with you guys. My friends and family are overjoyed with my success. Thank you, Unacademy. Thank you, Pawan Rao sir.